वेल आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. जूम मेरा घर रहा है और मैंने इनके साथ बहुत सारे शोज़ किए हैं. मैं इनके साथ एक स्टाइल स्टेप शो करता था बेस्ड ऑन फैशन एंड स्टाइल. एंड आई विश देम वेरी गुड लक एंड आई ऑलवेज लुक फॉर जूम्स पार्टी whether it is a holy party or whether it is a pastry party. I wish them very good luck. Well, of late I'm not been following Zoom, but it's just become like a more musical channel, and the contents are very nice. But I always follow the planet of Bollywood. I'm looking forward for that. Yes, I've been hearing and reading about it. I'm really looking forward. Just be yourself, be stylish, be cool, and be confident in what you wear. And comfort is something which is very important.
सर रिसेंटली द बिग बॉस 12 ऑल्सो लॉन्च अनाउंस किया गया जहाँ पर सेलिब्रिटीज कपल्स को तो आप कौन से कपल्स को देखना चाहेंगे बॉलीवुड के
बॉलीवुड के कपल में मैं बहुत सारे ऐसे कपल्स हैं. जैसे अगर आयुष्मान आ जाता है तो मैं उनको देखना चाहूँगा विद हिज वाइफ. एंड मनीष पॉल विल बी वेरी इंटरटेनिंग विद हिज वाइफ. भारती बहुत इंटरटेनिंग रहेंगी.
तो भारतीय आप देखना चाहेंगे
जी जी, डेफिनेटली.
क्योंकि मराठी बिग बॉस भी चल रहा है तो
जी
मराठी बिग बॉस आप फॉलो करते हैं मराठी
जी, मराठी तो मेरे को आती नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत आता है. एंड बस आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि येस लाइक अभी तो मैंने फॉलो नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
ओके सर रिसेंटली भी लॉट ऑफ न्यूज इज गोइंग ऑन
I think it's very shameful whatever happened. It's a very sad that our country like has seen so much, and it's very painful what a small child has gone through. I think we all should come together and support that little angel to get her justice. Thank you so much for talking to me. Have a nice day.
I'm gonna get numbers back on. Oh, please.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah.
बोलिए. बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज सब जूम देखते हैं एंड आई थिंक आई ग्रोन अप वॉचिंग जूम. माई फीड फॉर एवरीथिंग फिल्मीनेस एंड फैशन यूज टू बी जूम. So I'm super excited to see Zoom in a new avatar, and I think it's the right way to go because I think everyone needs to keep evolving and changing and revamping themselves because actors do it all the time, with our new haircuts and with different things that we do, and I think Zoom is ahead of its time in a way. I think style and fashion to me is being comfortable with who you are, because fashion to me is an extension of who you are. It's not trying to be something that you aren't. So I think if you're comfortable with who you are, you will be fashionable. Way less. Less is more. I think cottons and shorts, that's my go-to for summers. And yeah, wearing easy fabrics, I think that's what we all like to do during summers. जी मेरा आउटफिट कार्लियो का है. It's a lovely brand. It's by a friend, and I don't usually wear pantsuits, but I'm excited to wear pantsuits now, and yeah, I feel good. Yes, I'm doing a film with Neil Nathan Mukesh and Karan Singh Grover, which also has KK Menon sir and Jackie Shroff. It's called Firki. So I'm really looking forward to that because it's very different for me. I haven't done anything like that ever. We've just finished a schedule in London and we're doing our second schedule in Bombay. So yeah, super excited about that. I think it's become part of life for everyone. Being trolled, I'm assuming you would feel bad. I haven't been trolled yet, luckily. But I think it's fine. I think one shouldn't take social media way too seriously. It's for fun. It's all right.
We're waiting for them, yeah? Come. Veer. Oh, okay.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi. So, we? Oh yeah.
I think it's a बढ़िया कुछ नहीं हो सकता that you actually be the face of something which is people are excited about. They've been looking forward to see something which is altogether a new thing and altogether more stylish, more colorful, and I think nothing better than that actually. You know.
No, we're the first show, I mean, that Zoom is launching with. And it's a completely new, revamped look. And I mean, our show is also done with a lot of soul. So hopefully you guys
Yeah.
will relate to it.
It's a lot of responsibility as well, so that's why we are a little nervous. But
Damn
I think-
nervous. What is he saying?
I'm just being subtle. But yeah,
I
That everybody got fatter than me.
Yeah, but I think even on screen, there were so many memories we created. Actually, we were not behaving. We actually were like more like a gang.
Yeah,
You're
that's
talking about
true.
like actual school reunion
both,
and this
we've
thing.
been both.
I've never been to one. So this is my first experience of actually experiencing a reunion.
Yeah, she
Literally
doesn't-
and
also, I'm
she
metaphorically.
not-
really
you know,
doesn't
I'm
care
never-
in real life about
Yeah, I've never
reunions
been to
and
like a
friends.
boarding
Yeah,
school
she
or
just
something.
asked.
Never
Yeah, that's
traveled
what
like
happened.
that.
That's what I'm
Something
saying.
like that. But I think this was an experience where I could figure it out how actually one would have the feeling about nostalgic feeling about going to a boarding school back again. Yeah. I think I like things more colorful.
I think
That's
मेरा तो
my
मतलब
statement.
my personal, if you ask Veer, my fashion sense is just dull. I think Mindra really helped Gaurav to look whatever he looked.
No,
I think.
Mindra helped us all. Yeah, that's a fantastic thing Veer actually said. Because
Yeah.
you have no idea how I walked into this hotel. You wouldn't recognize me. That's how different I look. So my
Yeah.
style statement is just be
Maybe when the
comfortable.
party winds up, you will not recognize her.
You won't
Yeah.
recognize me
Walking
again.
out again.
Yeah, that's
It's
true.
the perfect
That's
disguise.
true. These are the best clothes I'm wearing.
Best ever.
I'm not even kidding.
Super.
Cool?
Okay, done. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Let's go.
I think you have to go back to the mirror now.
Hello, what's up? Hi. Oh, visual. Slow motion की high speed क्या कैसे? अच्छा नीचे से आ रहे हो? और आ रहे हो? और आ रहे हो? नीचे से आओ. ठीक है? Okay, thank you. Of course, I think this is really cool, yeah. And I got to know about this a little while ago, and I was actually looking forward to what kind of branding is gonna come. And I'm looking forward to the shows now. किस तरह के shows आएंगे और किस तरह की packaging होगी. It's looking really nice, so I'm really excited about it. Zoom has been our actually always the go-to channel for any gossip and no gossip. I just told you. थोड़ा डिफरेंट दिख रहा हूँ. क्यों? मैं इंडियन पहन के हो तो डिफरेंट. इंडियन ही तो हम हिंदुस्तानी है यार. अच्छा बियर्ड गिफ्ट बोलो. ये ऐसा मुझे बोला कुछ लड़कियों ने कि मैं अच्छा दिखता हूँ ऐसे. हाँ नहीं 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 उसमें उसमें तो कोई भीड़ नहीं है. Thank you. Visuals again? Okay. Only left now.
Sorry. Thank you. Hi. Well, of course, Zoom ka naya avatar hai. We all are very excited. Congratulations to the whole team. Lots of effort has gone behind it. Being more stylish is always amazing. So all the best. सभी फॉलो करते हैं. मुझसे ज़्यादा मेरी मॉम फॉलो करती हैं आई थिंक. अच्छी बातें करते हैं ना आज. No, jokes aside, I think Zoom is very, very informative. It's very, very stylish. It's very, very cool and fun. So, all the best.
क्या हाल है? फोन तो रख दे यार. किससे बात कर रहा है? गर्लफ्रेंड से? हाँ? Sorry? Visual. Come. Thank you.
Hello, how are you?
Sorry sir. Sorry. बताएं. हाँ जी. No, congratulations to Zoom यार. मुझे अब भी याद है जब मैं बड़ा हो रहा था, फिल्म फेयर और Zoom दो ऐसी चीज़ें थी जिनको देख के मैं बड़ा हुआ हूँ. मेरा सारा जो बॉलीवुड का गॉसिप है वो इधर से आता था. सो आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. पहले एज अ व्यूअर देखता था बट नाउ आई बिकम एन एक्टर. एंड इस बार तो मैं Zoom की होली पार्टी पे भी गया था, तो मैंने कहा री लॉन्च पार्टी पे भी मुझे जाना चाहिए. क्यों ऐसा मैंने क्या कर दिया है? हाँ जी. अच्छी बात है. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि मैं रेस 3 जैसी फिल्म कर रहा हूँ. एज एन एक्टर आई फील कि इट्स अ बिग फिल्म एंड एज अ यंग एक्टर आई फील दैट आई नीड टू showcase my talent in the film. So I've really worked hard, whether it was my physicality, whether it was going to the gym, or whether it was in my acting or dancing or action. I've really put in a lot. So I'm hoping when people come to watch the film on the 15th of June, they also feel the same way. Almost. We have 6-7 दिन की शूट बाकी है. No, in fact, with Salman bhai, it's been great. He's been one of my most favorite actors. But besides him, there's Anil Kapoor in the film, who I really enjoyed working with. There was Bobby in the film. So in fact, this whole film felt like a family. यार मैं ना ऐसा नहीं सोचता हूँ. I genuinely think कि यार if I hear something, I like something, I do it. And when I heard the story of that short film, I really enjoyed it. I'm like, I should do it. So I don't think कि मुझे और ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर कुछ अच्छा आएगा तो ज़रूर करूँ. मतलब यार, I am an actor. Whatever medium I get to perform, I'd love to. यार. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Yeah, I seldom go out, but I came here to especially congratulate Zoom because I think it's one of the most entertaining channel, and we get all the gossips and all the good news also, whatever is happening in our entertainment industry. So I wish Zoom all the very best. Thank you. I'm very happy that Newton has won a national award. So Eros and the whole team is very excited, and they're very happy that the content is the king and is really working. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay. Hello.
It's like a train or a local station. You really have to.
Well, I would say congratulations on being born again. Wish you a happy second inning.
I think Zoom has been an entertaining, glamorous channel for years. So I'm so glad that they're coming back with a new, reinforced energy. Wish you all the best. Well, अगर आपको all the happening events और happening चीज़ें देखनी है तो आप Zoom को tune in करते हैं. And I like the glamorous and the very upmarket look which Zoom gives to all the viewers. And सारे up-to-date events में रखते हैं उनको. Do you want me to talk? We've talked a lot about it. वो हमें बहुत दुख की घटना है. इतनी lightly उसके बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहेंगे. It's a very sad, tragic thing. Yeah, thank you.
Ragini, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Annie.
Yeah, my Miller. Sorry? It is like a relaunch of you, right?
Yeah, it's not really relaunch, it's a
Revamp.
It's a refresh.
Okay.
Hello everyone.
Visuals?
Very basically dressed, yeah.
Well, I've been told this is Zoom refresh, and I'm very happy because Zoom has been in the business of entertainment news for a very, very, very long time, and I hope they continue doing their great work. And sometimes they put a lot of masala and those typical terms which they use, like the Bollywood gossip. I mean, like the whole term, but nonetheless, people watch it and people like viewing it for entertainment purpose only, I hope, and not believe all the rumors you guys hear about us. But nonetheless, it's been an absolute pleasure. Lots and lots of love to the entire hardworking team at Zoom.
Your own brother also, man.
Who's that?
Go for it. That's
No.
what sister Ragini.
Actually, he's my mama.
Yeah, in the
But we-
relationship,
yeah.
it becomes like mama bhanji, but otherwise, to be brothersister.com only.
Yeah, that's because of the age.
Yeah, but literally.
And his name is Arjun.
And her name
And
is
my name is Ragini. Mama ji.
Bhanji.
Only Mama ji can interrupt your interview like that. Well,
She got that one right.
sorry. Please edit this. Please edit this. I'm going. Sorry. Shit. He's actually my mama. I swear I'm not kidding.
There is a very technical
my mama.
Yeah, it's a very technical
He
relationship.
is
you
my
won't get it.
mama, but he's of my age.
Yeah.
Now you just get lost. You just make me do a very bad foppa. Shit, sorry. Cut. Again, yes. Oh, my best wishes to Zoom and the entire loving and hardworking team out here. Yeah. It's not in good taste for both of them. And if an artist is saying कि उसको कुछ नहीं पसंद है, तो थोड़ा उससे मद्देनजर रखना चाहिए because आपके बगैर हमारा काम अधूरा है, हमारे बगैर आपका काम अधूरा है. So I think we just go hand in hand, and I think it's just being sensitive towards each other. I just think that much. Thank you. You take care of us and we can take care of you all. Bye. Thank you. All the best. Arjun, I'm gonna kill you.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Sorry? Good evening, everyone. Actually, मैं बहुत excited हूँ because you can see there are like lots of people around, but I'm very excited. It's a relaunch. So, so yeah, I'm quite excited about it because it's a relaunch and it's by Myntra, as you can see. So I'm really looking forward to it, and I tend to follow Zoom a lot. So that's what all the shows and all the Bollywood news and everything. So I think it's the best thing. So you know, whenever I get the time, I do watch all the shows and follow the news. Yeah. Sorry. Projects के बारे में actually बहुत कुछ है, lined up है. तो I'm just waiting for the official announcement. तो आप लोगों को सबसे पहले पता चल जाएगा, for sure. करेक्ट जी. मेरा उस पर सिर्फ यही कहना है कि ये सब नहीं होना चाहिए और स्पेशली मतलब जो इतनी छोटी बच्ची के साथ हुआ आई थिंक इट्स वेरी सैड क्योंकि जब मैंने न्यूज़ पढ़ा था जब मुझे आया था तो आई केप्ट रीडिंग अबाउट इट तो मैंने इतना पढ़ा तो 2 दिन तक मुझे वो लगा रहा कि जो भी हुआ है बहुत ही ख़राब हुआ है तो आई थिंक जो भी गुनहगार हैं आई थिंक उनको सज़ा बिल्कुल मिलनी चाहिए एंड एक्शन शुड बी टेकन टुवर्ड्स देम फॉर श्योर थैंक यू सो मच थैंक यू
Cool. What is this for? No, I'm not giving it back.
I'm very excited, especially for my friend, I don't know, Renil. So this is a relaunch party for Zoom and I'm quite excited to be here. That's why I'm here. Looking forward to it. Oh, fitness अभी हर कोई fit है, but हाँ, अभी मैंने कुछ खाया नहीं 8 बजे के बाद. That you have to look after. I drink a lot of water, yoga, acrobats, gymming, everything. You have to do everything. Shame. I think people who troll actresses, first of all, they are good for nothing. वो खाली बैठे हैं घर में कुछ नहीं है तो उनको बहुत पावरफुल फील होता है कि उनका चेहरा नहीं दिख रहा है and you can write anything and everything to any girl for that matter, not only actress, all big people. So I think they should not do it. They should get a life and they should think positive and they should definitely do something about it because it's not helping. Because it doesn't affect stars. They are here because they have done something in life to be here, right? So उनको ये फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. उनके बोलने से कुछ नहीं होता. It doesn't matter. Yeah. Sensitive मुद्दा. I think it's very unfortunate. It's very sad what has happened and what is happening to girls, women, to anybody in fact for that matter. I think this shows that how sick minds they are. They are perverts. It needs to do something with changing with their mindset. वो तो 8-year-old child है. You can't do anything about a child. She doesn't even know. For that matter, any girl, not only her. ये तो बहुत ही brutal. I would call it very sick, sad thing. बहुत कुछ आने वाला है. मैं अभी I can't talk, but I'm looking forward to it. I hope कि वो सारे announcements अभी अच्छे से जल्दी हो जाएं. I'm looking forward to it. जल्दी share करूँगी. Thank you.
It's about style and fashion. So if you're all in our fashionablest best, if that's a word. So yeah, I'm happy to be here. I do all the time. When we're in our vanity van between shoot, I think it's when we're in our vanity van like between shoot, it's one of the most entertaining channels to watch because you get to know about what everyone's doing and which movies are happening and who's wearing what and who's going where and who's doing who. Yeah, I think this is a nice high fashion piece. I would like to think so, and we've gone a little bold with the eyeliner also. So,
So much active in social media, your fake life, dance, everything.
yes.
How much you love social media?
I think it's really nice. It's a nice way to connect with our audience. It's a really nice way to put out what you're doing on a daily basis. I like to put out stuff that is glam like this, and I like to put out stuff that is say like without makeup or like at a dance practice, so people know how you are in real life also. Yes, I am going to start Commando 3 in a month. I am also doing my Tamil debut opposite Prabhu Deva, which is called Charlie Chaplin 2. And I've just done this film called Soulmate. Sorry, I'm ignoring you. And yeah, there's lots more stuff happening, but this is what has already started and been announced. So. Yes. Yeah. I don't know about increasing day by day. I think it's getting more in the limelight because so many of us are getting to know more about the stuff that's happening. And it's terrible. I don't even know what to really say. I don't know if me saying anything dressed like this at an event like this is going to change anything. I think people need to start it from their homes. I think when parents bring up their sons, they need to inculcate it in them then. That's, that's the only time where things will actually change, when you train your sons from when they are little children.
Any one tip you want to give to
Summer tips, wash your face clean. You're going to sweat, of course, so sweat and enjoy it because it's summer. And then in winter, you'll be cribbing and saying it's too cold. But yeah, just be clean, I think. Hygiene is important. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, Pooja.
Myntra and Zoom are always known for just their edge in fashion, and I'm just excited to be here, to party, and to also bring some edge and style. So for me, so that I can keep up to date with Zoom and with Myntra, I'm wearing a gorgeous gown from Zara Umringa, and my hair has been styled by Jean-Claude Begui in India. And I guess I'm bringing a bit of glam here so I can keep up with the whole team, because everyone loves style, everyone loves fashion, so I'm very excited to be here. Always. I always follow, no matter where I'm traveling in the world, I always make sure I have some sort of access to Zoom channel. So yeah, big #1 fan, yeah. Thank you so much, thank you.
Hello, Amir.
Which way? Thank you.
Okay, so super excited about Reunion. I've been working on it for 6 months, and it's very close to my heart because it is based, a lot of it is based on my life because I'm a boarding school kid myself. So please watch the Reunion. Thank you.
Thank you, Karishma.
To see how everyone reacts to this. I don't know what else to say. Great show, please watch it. Okay, we've all put a lot of love and heart into it. Each and every member on this show, whether it was Saurabh and Siddharth. It launches on 28th of this month. Yeah, okay, thank you. Sorry? 6 months. 6 months of prepping. I shot it in my school. I went to New Era in Panchkuni. I studied there for 10 years. So it's been shot in my school. Most of the characters are actually my friends, my best friends. I don't know how they're going to react after they see the show because I've exposed a lot of their lives and have also like changed things around and yeah. So no, it's not. I mean, reunion is. You know, when you're in school, you have certain dreams and you know you imagine your life to be in a certain way 10 years down the line. So it's 10 years later, what happens? I can see what he's telling you. 10 years later, when you go back to school, when you go back and meet your friends, you obviously are a different person, and it's these people help you recognize and see someone you used to be and who you are now. You know, so thank you so much.
That's it. Not much. Done, guys? Just a sec. Hold on. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
आई गेस जूम हम लोग बहुत पहले से देखते आ रहे हैं और जूम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चैनल रहा है हम सब के लिए क्योंकि इट हैज़ ऑलवेज बिन अ बॉलीवुड चैनल और बॉलीवुड से हमेशा ही सबको एक फैसिनेशन रहा है सो जूम इज़ यू नो इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ सो इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग दैट आई एम हियर एंड आई एम हियर फॉर जूम टीवी सो इट्स नाइस मेरा आउटफिट ऐसा कुछ खास तो नहीं है लेकिन बस मैं अपनी तरफ से जो कर सकती हूँ मैंने कर लिया है So it's just a normal chiffon gown, which I'm wearing, and I hope I'm looking good. अरे बहुत खबरें मेरी खुद की बहुत खबरें जो मुझे बहुत तकलीफ देती हैं. So it's okay. Let's not talk about it. देखा मैंने. वो पहुंच चुकी हैं बस अब जैसी वो थी पवित्र में वैसी वो अब धमाल करने वाली है and I'm sure she's doing it I guess she's fighting with a lot of people and but she's like that only but she's a cute baby so it's okay आप बस अब फिल्म देखिए और आपको पता चल जाएगा कि अब कैसा किया है मैंने it's a very good experience you know working with Kangna it has always been a very good experience she's superb she's talented and I'm happy to work with her it's scary but I hope कि हम सबको justice मिले because हमारा हक बनता है कि सिर्फ छोटे कपड़े पहनने से या किसी के बड़े सलवार सूट पहनने से कैरेक्टर डिफाइन नहीं किया जाता लड़कियों की इज्जत करना सीखना चाहिए हर किसी को so I hope and I believe that we'll get the justice thank you so much
Thank you guys.
Hi guys, I'm Maya Dansidur and I'm here at the Zoom launch party. I can't wait to see how they revamp the channel. It's fashion and entertainment. It's going to be a lot of fun. Also, can I know why? Sorry, I'm going to complete 5 million candles in 3 years. Okay. And so the family, etc. Ready? This is my favorite. Congratulations, Zoom. I know you just reached 5 million followers on Twitter. This is really a big thing and I can't wait to see it. Thank you so much. Also, I'm so sorry I didn't do this yet. Can I get an insult? Can I get a boomerang? Anything like a fun. actually know two of their hosts really well. I know Renal and I know Rudrani, and I'm really, really proud of both of them. I can't wait to see what they come up with. And Zoom's a channel that we all really know and we love and we get all our gossip from, honestly. And I don't want them to gossip about me anymore, so if y'all could do that. But otherwise, I'm really happy to be here. Thank you. Yeah, so I'm wearing Anand Bhushan, and it's like my little white dress, and it's summer, so that's what I wanted to represent. So right now I'm shooting a Tamil film. My Telugu film is releasing on the 11th of May, and I'll be dubbing for Leena Yadav's film, which stars Rishi Kapoor, and I think that'll come out by the end of the year. So I did a lot of workshops. I went to Delhi. I worked with NK Sharma sir and Adil Hussain and Veena ji. So yeah, it's been quite a task. It was a lot of fun. I learned a lot from him, and I think he's an incredible person and a brilliant actor. Yeah, it's really hot, so stay hydrated as much as you guys can, because even I'm feeling the heat. So best of luck to everybody. Okay? Thanks, guys.
Hi, Zoom. Wish you guys all the very best. 5 million.
5 times over, you guys have been
Wow. Kya baat hai, kya baat hai. I wish you guys all the best.
continued success, another 5 million more, and more and more.
Thank you. Thank you. By the way, you can say whatever you want out here.
You know what I have to say about
Yeah, come say. Yeah. We are so excited actually, you know, Zoom.
It's our favorite channel. Woohoo!
I know हमारे रग रग में बसा हुआ है Zoom और
Actually.
इनकी वाइफ और मेरी सिस्टर जो है, okay, वो टोरंटो में रहती है. She is an avid watcher of Zoom. तो कुछ भी बॉलीवुड पार्टी होती
all her
है,
news
तो
comes
सारी
from Zoom.
न्यूज़ जो है वो Zoom से निकलती है उनसे. So you know what? I think she's gonna be really happy to
Yeah,
see
so
you
Zoom is
also.
part of our family.
I'm actually here representing her.
Yeah, so congratulations once again, relaunch, and this is going to get even bigger and better, I think.
We wish you more and
All the
more
best.
success.
Thanks. Earlier, the first thing was कि बॉलीवुड में क्या गपशप हो रही है. I think वो जो न्यूज़पेपर आते थे उससे पहले Zoom के पास ये खबर आती थी. So that used to be really exciting. I just hope they maintain that same policy again.
I think, yeah, for entertainment news, it's always Zoom
Yeah.
first. If it's on Zoom, then pretty much we've got it covered. We've seen it.
What is your tagline now? अभी tagline क्या है Zoom की? Zoom in. Yeah, not bad. Yeah.
Zooming.
Yeah,
That's
we better
awesome.
zoom in now.
ऊपर है, हाँ पूरा ऊपर है, ऑन होता है क्या पूरा ऊपर? हाँ तो ऑन।
अच्छा अच्छा मैं वही कह रही थी
आप जिम में ना क्या देखते हैं अभी
बॉलीवुड यही पूरा
फ्लाइट से तो आउट कर लग रहे हैं आपका मुंबई बेंगलोर में मैं लगा रहा हूँ बड़ा बड़ा
हाँ बहुत अच्छा है
मैडम मैं आउटडोर पार्टी का एक फाइट तो सब मेरे ओनर हो गए सब
एक्चुअली मैं हूँ नहीं मैं गेस्ट लाइनअप किए हैं ना हम लोग
बड़े गेस्ट को लाना है
अभी सूरज पंचोली फिर यामी वगैरह काफ़ी लोग
सबसे नीचे गए
सब आएंगे
खत्म होने के बाद
हाँ हाँ
I think that's the best part about being at a Zoom event this time, because I have been in a lot of Zoom parties before, but this is the first time that I'm celebrating myself, because I am being launched too amongst the other shows that are being launched. So yeah, it just makes it all the more personal for me. It's as if it's my own birthday party that's happening. Thank you. I've been styled by Myntra today. They have come on board as our fashion partners for this show called Label, the one that I'm doing. And I'm sure you'll be seeing a lot more such outfits now in the coming future, now that Myntra has joined hands with us. A fitness tip. One is obviously to stay as hydrated as possible. No matter what you eat, even if you're not able to manage a good workout regime, the simplest thing that you can do is add some water in your life. So drink a lot of water, avoid carbs at night, and at least try to have half an hour of workout every day if you can, or at least just go for a walk. Thank you. Yeah.
मैं तो कहना चाहूँगा जूम ज़्यादा जूम हो गया है और इट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग, इट्स वेरी नाइस, न्यू थिंग, न्यू जूम, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। मैं तो जूम को बहुत फॉलो करता हूँ, सारी गॉसिप मुझे जूम से ही मिलती है और बड़ा मज़ेदार है, स्पाइसी चैनल है और बड़े अच्छे गाने हैं। यार मैं बहुत ज़्यादा फॉलो नहीं करता, बट आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड, कैन यू सी दैट? आई एम फुल फैशन पे हूँ, तो अभी आजकल अभी शुरू किया है मैंने। जूम ने कई ऐसी खबरें फिल्में के बारे में बोला है कि मैं कर रहा हूँ, जो असल में मैं नहीं कर रहा था, जो मेरे को बड़ा गुस्सा है कि ये न्यूज़ गलत क्यों है। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू वेरी मच। अपकमिंग अभी कुछ नहीं है. आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग द स्क्रिप्ट. सून वी विल सी. बोलो. यार आई हैव नो आइडिया बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट फॉलोइंग दैट. बट जो भी कुछ है वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट. आई होप एवरीथिंग विल सेटल डाउन एंड ही इज़ वेरी वेरी टैलेंटेड एंड ही शुड कम आउट ऑफ इट. थैंक यू. थैंक यू.
Can I just give you my purse? Yeah, sure. I'll hold it. And I think I'll just take a picture here like at some point. All right, no problem.
Sorry.
I'll just finish this and come back. Sure? Okay, thanks. Hi. Oh, sorry. Are we doing a video? We'll do photographs and then we'll... जब बोलोगे ऐसे बाइट लेंगे. आप लोगों ने खाना वाना खाया? नहीं खाया? मैंने भी नहीं खाया. मुझे भी भूख लग रही है. बॉलीवुड का चैनल था, वो था Zoom, और आई थिंक इट्स completed a long time, and I think the collaborations with other, with all the celebrities has been so strong with Zoom that I think एक नाम होता है जो resonate करता है Zoom के साथ, and I think that's about Bollywood and the glamour bit and about the inside lives of all the glamorous Bollywood people, as I could probably say. So I think that's what I resonate Zoom with. Thanks. Yeah, my stylist has really worked hard to put it together, so I think I will give Yansha a big shout out. And it's a really interesting designer, Nitya Bajaj, and I think she's got her label on on my skirt as well. So yeah, that's. Well, I'll stand up for everything that's right and anything that speaks about, anything that speaks for the equality of women. So I think I've always personally stood up for something like that, and I will continue to do that, whether people like it or not, whether people hate me or they troll me.
I love that.
Oh, you'll know about that soon. So, yeah. It'll be out on, I'm sure it'll be out on Zoom. Thanks. He's been messaging me incessantly.
Excuse me.
कम ना. कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे? पहचाना इनको आपने? हाँ.
कोई नहीं पहचाना.
हाँ.
वेल Zoom एक डिटेक्टिव चैनल है. कहाँ से खबर उतारते हैं, निकालते हैं, किसका खबर कहाँ होता है, कौन किससे रोमांस कर रहा है, कौन किससे झगड़ा कर रहा है, कौन किसके साथ मोहब्बत कर रहा है, कौन वैनिटी वैन में छुपा है, कौन वैनिटी वैन के नीचे है, कौन वैनिटी वैन के ऊपर है, किसकी मम्मी का झगड़ा किसके पिताजी के साथ हुआ है, कौन सा एक्टर 4 गर्लफ्रेंड्स रखा हुआ है. ये सिर्फ Zoom से होता है. इट्स द इंसाइक्लोपीडिया. पाए लागो Zoom. थैंक यू सो मच. बस हमारे कपड़े मत उतार देना बस. देखिए, मैं जब उठता हूँ भगवान का नाम लेता हूँ और फिर Zoom का नाम लेता हूँ. फिर जब मैं सोता हूँ तो Zoom का नाम लेता हूँ और भगवान का नाम लेता हूँ. मैंने अपने चेस्ट पर, अपने थाइस पे, अपने हैंड्स पे मैंने Zoom टैटू करवाया है. याद ये देखिए. और कभी कभार मैं अपनी बीवी को भी Zoom बुलाता हूँ, अपनी नेबर की वाइफ को Zoom बुलाता हूँ, मैं अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को Zoom बुलाता हूँ, आपको भी मैं Zoom बुलाता हूँ. इसलिए मैं जीता जागता Zoom हूँ मैं. सॉरी. जी हाँ, मुझे Zoom फीवर हो चुका है जब भी मैं डॉक्टर के पास जाता है.
It's got Zoomified now.
हाँ तो मैं zoomified हो गया हूँ. जब भी मैं डॉक्टर के पास जाता हूँ तो बोलता है तुम्हें zoom fever हो गया है, but I like this fever. I feel very hot. I feel very sexy. I feel very zoomy. देखिए मैं एक चीज़ कहना चाहता हूँ, हम लोग 21वीं सदी में ना कि 14वीं सदी में. यहाँ पे डिजिटल डे एंड एज है जहाँ पे पैपराजी हॉलीवुड में हो हर जगह घुसे रहते हैं. स्टार्स को अगर प्यार मोहब्बत मिलता है फैंस से तो स्टार शुड ऑल्सो बी रेडी फॉर क्रिटिसिज्म. हमेशा ऐसा थोड़ी है कि स्टार्स बोलते हैं कि तारीफ़ें होनी चाहिए. क्रिटिसिज्म शुड बी देयर एंड ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन स्टार्स बिकम बिग they should be ready for cameras to go into their bedrooms, into their bathrooms, into their vanity vans. They should be ready for anything. तो अगर आपको 50 करोड़ मिलते हैं फिल्मों के लिए, थोड़ा 5 करोड़ वाला क्रिटिसिज्म मिल जाए तो चलता है ना यार. We're all there as long as you get fame, baby, fame. Well, I loved October film क्योंकि वो फिल्म ऑब्वियसली वरुण धवन ने बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है. He does जुड़वा 2, he does commercial films and then वरुण धवन ends up doing a film like October where words बहुत कम हैं, soul to soul connection ज़्यादा है. So I really like that film and tomorrow I'm going to watch Hijack Baby क्योंकि उसमें बहुत digital sensations भी है और छोटी फिल्मों को भी हमें support करना चाहिए. So I'm going to get hijacked by Zoom tonight.